Hi guys, it's me, Kuda. So guys, bacon is golden. My twin brother woke me on first. No, no, you made it easy on us so far. So guys, if I skipped and I said we want to skip, I was dumb enough to not record. I accidentally did not record. I accidentally.
There's nothing in else on this thing.
What in your room? Your little baking room? Will you bake your bacon?
Hey, I'll steal your piggies. Kill them and turn them to bacon so I can have them.
Yeah, viewers, if you...
Yeah, that's a bit too harsh. I'm sorry you play piggy. But that's how fun life is. Okay.
Guys...
I know where the chip goes. It goes downstairs.
Okay.
And get the blue key. I know where it is. It's in the basement. I'm going in the basement.
And guys, if you do not leave a like, subscribe, you will turn it to a bacon plus piggy. So piggy turning into bacon is not good. You don't want that to be you.
Don't go in the basement. So I'm just gonna shoot me. I just go. Hey dude, I'm not you. I'm going back to my car. Bye.
Use off.
If I can go through the door.
Use a USB. Somebody already used the S. I know what the crowbar is.
They tried to shoot me and I was standing perfectly still and they still missed. I can't thank them. My head.
Guys, I'm now not. Guys, I know where the crowbar is. So you stuck for infinite time. You can now not go there.
I'm still dead, okay?
Yeah. Play that and then no. Going.
I'm not killing anyone. Don't show boy.
Guys, get ready. Get ready.
I'm killing the person with the bacon skin. There's only one.
This is how you escape.
I'm killing one person. He's the person in the bacon skin because there's only one bacon here.
Guys, open the white door. Do you have winning key? Do you have a winning key? Oh, the door escaped. That's one.
Everyone out the bacon skin.
Bacon skin show.
No!
I got the badge, guys. It's proof. Physical proof. 9% completed. No.
Please.
You're gonna do it yourself.
Coda, please for me.
No.
For your buddy, your pal. Wait, now I don't get to do it. Coda, if you're pale, you're not doing chapter 2. And you're not getting that badge. Okay?
Yeah, if we are bacon, we do it after. After we show you guys how to win, then we're gonna, okay?
Yeah, then we're gonna. No, Coda, I'm gonna if you're the bacon, I'm not winning. Okay?
Yeah, I'll just pull, cause if that happens, I'll just do it off screen, and then I'll come back later and then show you. What happened to the lights? Bacon is what happened. Oh, that's so late. I hate it. Let's see what we can find near the computer lab. That may give us a clue. Guys, I'm bacon. Calissa made me a goat.
Okay.
Calissa's gonna get
You're
killed.
not supposed to do anyone.
Good. I promise those ice cream on my knife.
Yeah, you can eat it before you die.
Yes, you can eat it before you die.
Hey, you can't kill anyone like I did, Coda.
Yeah, but I'm on YouTube.
Fine. But you can't kill me.
I'm just gonna
Dude, for content.
for content, guys. I'm
Not
gonna.
the one for content.
Come on. I promise it's ice cream.
Dude, I hate ice cream. I'm allergic.
I promise it's only ice cream
I'm allergic.
on my knife. Oh yeah, last dozen carton. I don't care.
Yes, I don't. That's not really how people work. Yeah, I'm allergic. I'm allergic.
You not escaping.
What if I do escape? If you give me $500?
I guess. No, you don't go that way. Look at me. If you want to die, you're the one who.
Content. It's for the content. I'm done with the content. No, I'm not, guys. Because I'm too good for Mr. Code the Bacon.
Wait. That's because I'm focused on this fat guy.
Bye. It feels so useless. I don't know anything.
Then you're bad. Come on.
I'm gonna pass. You feel me? Just go. I'm not gonna use this. Let me.
Let me not be useless. Maybe me not useless after all. Where are you? I'm coming. I'm coming.
Come on, dude. Where are you with that?
Hey, my favorite guy. This is literally. I swear, I find where that is in my little. Oh, yeah. Sammy. Sammy
Yes,
gave.
he got clicks like a useful.
Sammy gave
Yes, I got
me a heart.
useful. Is bacon out there? I bacon. Or bacon.
How you little loser?
What's that yellow key, punks?
I found the crowbar. Go down. You loser!
I am a flathead. Oh, I did. Found the guy you wanted for 500 years. Found me on the beach.
Where is he?
First, gonna kill me. I just love it.
Yeet!
Dude, don't you think it's too hard on the guy? Dude, caution. The guy. Dude, you're the only one on the guy. I mean, like,
Yes.
this is the.
This is my life. Coach, you're the only one. I got the fat guy. Wait. Ah! Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, I didn't kill you. I let you go.
Yeah, yeet. Of course.
I'm not the only guy.
No. I will get you.
Yes!
You found a secret. You found a good hiding spot. Didn't you?
Someone could have this house.
And I know the sound of that anyway. Cousin, Betty.
Well, where I have to go is somewhere you can get me. So I'm just saying, yeah.
If you know how to. Cousin, what, you gonna go escape from me?
Actually, no, I kind of sad too. All I need is the crowbar.
You
Miles.
activated my trap.
I'm up now. Oh, you better not. You better not.
You're trapped. You're away. Just as you think I'm dumb.
Not there.
Exactly why I went. Exactly why I didn't go there. You think I'm dumb? Dude, come here. Hi.
You're too harsh on me. You need bacon.
But it was ice cream on midnight. Stay tuned.
Dude, do you have to bring wire? You have to do this. If I was we can do this, buddy. We can do this somewhere.
Why am I always done? I hate it. Colton, this stuff. Oh, it's done.
What did I do with this? What did I do with this? Oh,
You're dead.
that's good, dude. That's great.
Come on.
Dude, can you be Make sure I don't die.
How lovely. How lovely.
Thanks, I found the wire.
What? Guys, can this just be an episode of How to Escape Chapter 1? I'm tired. This is Chapter 1 through 2 on how to escape, guys. That's all it is. This is called Chapter 1 as person, Chapter 2 as bacon. I hate this guy. Come. So mad.
It's at the table.
Help me.
Wait,
Okay.
can we just do chapter 1?
So guys, that's Chapter 1 as person, Chapter 2